Hope you're doing well. Recently, I was actually on Amazon and I was looking around at some stuff and I came across something I thought it was kind of interesting, and the price for it wasn't too bad considering the prices for these kind of things. They're normally quite a bit high compared to what I found this one for. So I decided to go ahead and pick it on up. So I'm going to go ahead and open that here now, and we're going to give it a look-see, see what it's like, and yeah, that's what we're going to do right now. So let's go ahead and check it on out then, shall we? Alright. So here it is. Came from Amazon. And let's see here. You don't see an address there, do you? No? Okay. What is this, bubble? Ah, yeah, it has bubbles on the opposite side. Alright. And now the moment of truth, the big reveal. Moment of truth, the big reveal. What we've got in the box here, the bag, it's not exactly a box, is it? Well, there's actually a box in the bag, so I guess technically what we have in the box would work as well, because, well, there's a box in the bag. So either one works. In the bag, in the box, whichever one you prefer, or both, those both can work too. Let's see here. The big reveal. Can you actually see what it is? You can kind of see there, can't you? There's writing on the back. I can't see that side. Okay, so I'll pull it on out, and voila. Can you guess what it is? You probably can, or maybe you can't. But it is a Micro Groomsman Powerful Precision 2-in-1 Detailer. What does that mean exactly? Well, you detail stuff with no, that is not an explanation. You don't use a word when you're trying to explain what another word. You don't use the same word to try explaining what another word means that's almost the same exactly. But yeah, basically it's a precision trimmer, and many uses for precision trimmer. You can use it for, let's say, your eyebrows, maybe your mustache if you happen to have a mustache. Guys, ladies, maybe you have a mustache too, you never know. You want to trim your mustache, ladies. The company that it's from is called Wall. Not W-A-L-L, but W-A-H-L. And there's actually a marker, like someone drew on the box, or the color from the thing here, it's sort of leaked onto the front. That's blue actually, is what it looks like, a navy blue. So yeah, a precision trimmer. And let me go ahead and actually read off the back. So what is included with this precision trimmer here? So we have and it doesn't tell me what's what exactly, but I think I can figure it out for myself here. Let's go ahead and try doing that. So the middle one right there, you actually can't see it too well. The light is reflecting off of this, so it's kind of hard to see it clearly. Well, we'll take it out in just a second here. So the middle one is the trimming head. So our third one, which right down here, that can be used for your ear. Maybe you have hairs growing out of your ear, or your nose. That is a little trimmer down there for that. And it actually says on the box here, it says wet / dry, fast and easy hair removal. Yeah, so it looks like you can use this with well, when you have the sink running or something like that. Maybe you keep it by the sink. You know, the thing with the sink and cutting your hair though, I would expect your hair to get trapped in the sink and clog it up, unless you have like one of those things that filters it. What are those called? Those little, it's like it's a filter, I guess, but you know what I'm talking about. You put them on your sink and they catch things in them. Like, there are different ones. Some are made out of plastic, and then you can find other ones made out of like steel, has like kind of a mesh. Yeah, you probably want one of those for your sink if you're gonna cut your hair in your sink with this, because it'll leave really small pieces of hair behind. So I actually like how this looks. It's quite compact. It's like a pen almost. Very small, compact here. So let's go ahead and open it up, and why don't we take a closer look at it. Oh, I thought there was cardboard on the inside. That's how it got the coloring all the way around, but the plastic itself is dyed that color, it seems. Alright, so I got it out of the plastic here, and how exactly do you open this up? Looks like I might need to actually check the instructions to find out how to open this thing up. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, it's... can't seem to figure it out. So, how do we open this up? Holding the trimmer with the cutting head facing you, pull the aluminum casing off towards you. Okay. So, with the head facing me, pull the casing towards me. Oh, there we go. And it comes out just like that. Wow, this is really small. So it came out of this, and we have a little space there for the battery, and very tiny, not big at all. It's like a little less than half the size of the battery itself, the AAA battery. So I'm going to go ahead and find one. It only takes one, and we're going to see what this thing is like when we turn it on. So I will be right back, and hopefully we'll be back with a AAA battery. Alright, so we're back now, and I did manage to find a AAA battery. I actually took this out of a remote. So we're going to put that back after we're done trying it out. So let's go ahead and put this in here. Oh, turned on. Okay, so we put it in there just like that, and you could see the size of the motor itself. It's not very big, like I mentioned, a little smaller than the battery itself. So now we're going to take that and we're going to put it back in the housing here. So just slide it on down, and once it clicks, it's back in place. And now we put our attachment on top. So let's go ahead and try out one of the attachments here. Oh, and I just realized this. It seems that the precision trimmer, if you're going to use it in order to trim your eyebrows or something like that, you need to put the other one on top of it. There is no blade in there. There is just sort of a like guiding arms. So it looks like you're mostly going to use the precision trimmer for everything then, except for when you want to trim your nose hairs or your ear hairs. So let's go ahead and put this on and see what it's like. Alright, so put it in sideways and then you turn, and it looks like there's a little groove here that it'll lock into, and it's now locked into place. And if we turn it on, and very tiny blades here on the precision trimmer, might be a bit tough to see here. Very tiny blades there. It's a bit louder than I expected it to be. And then if you want to put on the attachment for, say, your eyebrow, it looks like you just sort of, and it clicks into place, and now you can use it for your eyebrows. Okay, so that's pretty neat. Alright, so our last one, our nose and ear trimmer. So you put it on, you click it into place, and it looks like there are blades in there. Yeah. Then you turn it on, and they vibrate and they cut the hairs. Out there. Might be a little tough to see. I don't know if the camera's gonna focus on something that close. But there you go. That is the wall precision, well, what's it called? The Wall Micro Groomsman Powerful Precision 2-in-1 Detailer. That's what that is right there, and I bought this on Amazon for a total of $10. So that is $10 for this. Maybe you want to pick one up, try it out. I'll see whether it withstands the test of time. And alright, well that's gonna be it for this one. If you enjoyed the video, there's a like button. Sharing it would be super awesome as well. Yeah, so until next time, whenever that may end up being, until then, hope you have a good one.